Hello everyone, good morning. Hope you all are very fine. Let us welcome all of you on this PPT presentation, the virtual classes presented by Jet Kids International School Pusat, in which, as you all know, today we'll be discussing the exercise part because we have done with the lesson. Our lesson number 5, that is safety and first aid, is finished, is completed. We have successfully completed the lesson safety and first aid, and today we'll be discussing the exercise part, in which I am going to cover up three questions. First of all, choose the correct option. Second, fill in the blanks, and third, match the following. Remaining question answers I'll send it to you in the PDF form on your WhatsApp group. Okay, so don't worry, we'll be discussing the three objectives types of questions today, that is fill in the blanks, choose the correct options, and yeah, match the following. Okay, so lesson number 5, safety and first aid, is today's topic, and today's subtopic is exercise. Okay, so get ready, here we go. Very important. Okay, now I'll place myself in this direction. Okay, I'll move myself here. Now you all are able to see 1 2 3 4 5 sentences. Choose the correct options. Here options I dropped. Okay, options are not there. Direct the correct options I have fitted in the sentence in the different color. The bold yellow color is there, which is the answer, right? The bold yellow color is the answer. So let us see what are these choose the correct option and which are the answers of it. Okay, so should we start? Okay then. First of all, fire needs dash to keep burning. Answer is air. Fire needs air to keep burning. A easy question it is. Number second, nylon or synthetic clothes should not be worn while bursting firecrackers or while cooking. Okay, nylon or synthetic clothes are easily catch the fire, so one should not wear the nylon and synthetic clothes while bursting the firecracker in the festival of Diwali. Okay, I know you all love to lighten the firecrackers, but don't wear such kind of clothes. Or the women's or mothers or mummies should not wear nylon and synthetic clothes. You should inform your mother they should not wear such clothes while cooking, as the gas leak and any fire accidents can happen in the kitchen. Okay. Number 3, in case of minor burns, keep the burnt area under cold running water, which already I told you in the lesson. Okay. Minor burns and burnt area, you should keep that under running water, cold running water. Number 4, rabies is caused by dash animal bites. I think rabies is caused by stray animals, dog, cat, and monkey. Am I right? Yes, if you remember well. Rabies is caused by the stray animals like dog, cat, and monkey. Okay. Last, vinegar or lemon juice can be applied for wasp stings. Okay, if you have wasp stings, you have to apply their vinegar or lemon juice. Okay, you will feel relaxed. So this is the question number 1, question number A, that is choose the correct option. Already I have given you all the answers. Okay, you can take screenshot of it, or you can pause and you can note down the answer, or you can tick in your textbook. Few seconds required, just tick it which is the right answer and then solve it in the notebook. Okay, so let's move on. Question number 2, sorry, question number B, we can say B. Question number first B is fill in the blanks. Here also blanks I have given you in the yellow bold type font. Okay, yellow color bold type font is the answer of this blank. Okay, first, dash can cause fire outburst. The answer is electrical faults. Answer is electrical faults can cause fire outburst. Number second, small fire can be put out using a fire. Answer is extinguisher. As I told you while lesson also, small fire can easily put out with a instrument called fire extinguisher. Okay, small fire can be put out using a fire extinguisher. Number 3, dash clothes do not catch fire easily. Which clothes? Cotton clothes do not catch fire easily. Synthetic and nylon clothes can catch fire easily, as we saw in the question number A. Number 4, dash down on the ground. Rolling down on the ground puts off the flames on your clothes. Rolling down on the ground puts off the flames on your clothes. And number last, an elastic bandage can be wrapped around a sprained part. Elastic bandage, can you wrapped around a fracture? No. Fracture you should not wrapped around. You should wrapped around an elastic bandage over a sprained part. Okay. Hope you all are clear with all these fill in the blanks. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fill in the blanks, and this yellow font, yellow bold type of font is the answer of these blanks. Take the screenshot or pause the video, note down, or you may tick in your textbooks as well. There are many options for you all, right? So here is the question number B, fill in the blanks. Now let us move towards third question, C question, that is match the following. Here is the match the following. Okay, let us discuss match the following. In the option A, band-aid, blisters, splint, ice cubes and nosebleeds. Means in option A there are words given like band-aid, blisters, splint, ice cubes and nosebleeds. Now I'll place myself here, okay, in the center. Yeah, that's better. And in column B, for cuts, burns, for fracture, cool the burnt area, and last is hot weather. Okay, I already matched it here for you. You can directly take screenshot or you may note down in your textbook as well. Band-aid match with for cuts, band-aid for cuts, blisters for burns. Direct answer is there. I already matched these pair for you all. Okay, so here answer, whatever I am talking right now is the answer of this match the following. Okay, make sure band-aid match with for cuts, blister match with burns, splint match with for fracture, ice cubes match with cool the burnt area, and obviously nosebleeds match with hot weather. For band-aids, for small cuts you can use band-aid, for burns you can use blisters, for fracture you can have splint. An orthopedic surgeon doctor used to splint that particular part where you got fracture. Okay, and ice cubes, you all know what is the use of ice cubes. Cool the burnt area. If you got burn your finger, your hand or any of your body part, so you have to apply over there ice cubes. Ice cubes you should apply over there to cool the burnt area. And nosebleeds generally happening in the hot weather during summer. Okay, so these three questions we have covered up in today's PPT, question D, E, F, and remaining all the question answers I'll give you in a PDF format on your WhatsApp group. Again I am repeating the same thing. These three questions we have done here, remaining questions you will get in the PDF format on your WhatsApp group. Okay, so that's all for today. We'll meet in the next PPT with the new topic. Thank you and have a lovely day ahead.